Alright, hey guys, Tony Tran here from the Kangen Wolfpack, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to e-clean your machine. This is going to be demonstrated on the K8. Okay, that's the machine that I have. So we'll just follow the instruction book here. So it says we're just going to use 400 mils of water. I measured that out in the bottle. We've got the 2 cleaning powder sachets, the cleaning tank, cleaning cartridge, and the cap. Alright, so let's just follow this step by step. You can guys see how to go. Okay, so we'll just head over here. Alright guys, so step 1 is turn the machine on, and let's go to e-cleaning. Yeah, settings, e-cleaning. Okay. Number 1, it says pour 2 packets of cleaning powder into the cleaning tank. Fill with 400 mils of water and mix thoroughly. Okay, so let's do that. Alright. Alright, take that out. Open this sachet. Try not to spill anything. Okay, that's one. Feels like I'm doing a science experiment. Okay. Let's put the packets to one side. Fill up with 400 mils and mix thoroughly. Okay, 400 mils is just pretty much to the base of the neck of the bottle. So mix thoroughly. Just get the end of a fork and I'll mix that. See if that will dissolve. Looks alright, looks to have mostly dissolved. Maybe there's some crystals down the bottom. Alright, let's put the lid on. Alright, give that a good shake as well to mix it. Alright, that looks good. There's nothing, doesn't look like anything caked down the bottom. Okay. Step 2, please insert the cleaning tank. Alright, so we're just going to open this down the side. So I've got the other one here to make 2.5 water and 11 pH water. Alright, and it goes in like this. Done. Alright, I'm gonna say okay. There we go. If it wasn't recognized, it will have an error message there. Okay, as it says in the picture. The tank is okay, it's good now. Please remove the filter and install the cleaning cartridge. Okay, so that's this thing here. Right, this I had trouble with at the beginning, at the first time I did this. But let's have a look. Okay, so just push this up slightly. So this is the water filter here. Okay, let's bring this closer just so you guys can see. Alright, so there's a little latch down here. Okay, so we're just gonna bring that out to the left. Take the cartridge out. Okay, so yep, we've put the water filter down to the side. The thing is, you got to remember to take those O-rings out as well. So I'm gonna get those black things out. Okay, so yep, 2 O-rings are removed now. Alright, please remove the filter and install the cleaning cartridge. Okay, so I got the cartridge here. I'm just gonna put it straight in. Alright, that's there, and then we're going to put the thing here and lock it back into place. So it just puts it right there. Okay, so that's now locked in, good to go. Alright, please put the cap on the secondary hose, which is, you can see through the picture, that's the bottom hose. So we've got our red cap here. Now we have the flexible hose here, so I'm just going to put the red thing on at the end of that. Okay, and we're going to say okay. Alright, press start to begin cleaning. Alright, we'll put the case back on and we're good to go. So after E5, press start to begin. And it's got 3 hours. It's gonna work its magic. Alright. Alright guys, so that's step 5 of the 12-step cleaning process. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, we're back after the 3 hours, now up to stage 7. So it says please remove the cap from the secondary hose. I'm just gonna remove that. Excuse my sink, some dishes. Alright, we've done that. Okay, number 8, please remove the cleaning cartridge and reinstall the filter. Alright, so we're going to remove that. See that? Yep, I'm going to unlock this. Okay, the rings came off on that, that's good. Okay. So I'm going to put the rings back here. Big one and small one. Okay. Now we're going to put the ring down there and push it back from left to right and close it there. Yep. Okay. Press OK. It says E-cleaning 9, please remove the cleaning tank and reinstall the previous tank. Okay, I'm going to remove that. Okay, so that is actually empty now. Okay, so I think I'm going to rinse that out later. But yeah, that's definitely empty. And reinstall the previous tank. So yeah, we'll put back the electrolysis enhancer liquid. Okay, press OK. Run the water to rinse the machine. Step 10. Okay, it's going to run it for 300 seconds. Alright, that's it. And it says e-cleaning 12 complete and it's back to normal. Alright guys, so yeah, that's the e-cleaning procedure. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. So as recommended by Enagic in the book there, it says you should e-clean you know, every 1 to 2 weeks. You could push it to every 4 weeks. Just depends on how, you know, how much water you run through the machine. And also to send it off to do a deep clean service at least once every year. So yeah, make sure everyone does that. So, you know, look after your machine so it can really last that expected, you know, 25 to 30 years, you know, life expectancy of the machine. But yeah, thanks guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.